In this video we are going to learn Python programming. Basic Python programming we are going to learn. I am Radhika, Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering. So the very first program which we are going to learn is area of the rectangle and area of the circle. For both these we have to know the formula, area of the rectangle formula and area of the circle formula. And after that we are going to learn the addition programs, how to perform addition programs, subtraction, multiplication and division programs in Python language. Hello all, in this video we are going to learn the basic Python programming. I am Radhika here. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering. We have few students here like Sanjay, Sharma, Gopi and uh, Abhirami from third year mechatronics students. So the very first program which we are going to learn in Python language is area of the rectangle. So let me use hash area of rectangle. Whenever you don't want the line to get executed, then you can use hash. So hash area of the rectangle. So I'm just giving an enter. Area of the rectangle formula is area is equal to length into breadth. So let me introduce L as a variable. L is equal to int, open the bracket. I'm getting it as an input. Int input, open the bracket again. I want the user to enter the value. So enter the length of the rectangle. So the data type here is integer. I'm not mentioning it as float. So let us consider this as an integer. Because of that, I mentioned it as int input, enter the length of the rectangle. So now B, area is equal to length into breadth, L into B. So B is equal to int, open the bracket again. This also I want the user to get the input to be entered. So enter the breadth of the rectangle. Make sure that the brackets gets closed. Next we have to give the formula. Instead of giving A is equal to L into B, I'm just mentioning it as area is equal to L into B. So this is nothing but the formula. So you make sure that while entering print, the P should not be capital. If you mention it as capital, then it will be considered as another value. You have to define it. So print what needs to be printed. Print, open the bracket, area of the rectangle is, this is what I want the output to be get displayed, is closing the bracket, and after that I have to put a comma. What needs to be calculated? Area. So area is equal to L into B needs to be calculated, and it has to be printed here, printed as area of the rectangle is. Okay, so the program is done. Let me run the program. So the program got executed. Enter the length of the rectangle, I'm giving it as 1. Enter the breadth of the rectangle, I'm giving it as 2. So 1 into 2, area has to be calculated. 1 into 2 is 2. So area of the rectangle is 2. So the program is executed successfully. As area of the circle, we shall do the next program, which is nothing but area of the circle. So let me clear this completely. Hash area of the circle. So this is the title of the program. Area of the circle formula we have to know, we have to remember area is equal to pi r square. So pi we need not mention it as such. So 3.14 we shall take. So only one variable we have, which is nothing but r, radius of the circle. So r is a variable here. R is equal to, let us consider this also as an integer. Int input, int input. So we are asking the user to enter the radius of the circle. So this is what this one will get displayed in the output. Enter the radius of the circle will be displayed for the user, and the user will enter the radius. So now next line, only one variable. So area is equal to pi r square. So area is equal to, pi is nothing but 3.14 into, is represented by means of the star, r into r into r, 3.14 into r into r. Okay, so the thing is area is equal to this one. Print, I want the output. Print, I'm opening up the apostrophe, area of the circle is, this is how I want the output to be displayed. Area of the circle is, what needs to be displayed, comma, area. The program is done. So let me execute, let me run the program, enter the radius of the circle. Let us consider this as 2, enter area of the circle. So we got the output, code execution is successful and we don't have any error here. So area of the circle is 12.56. I hope you would have learned 2 programs in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Radhika.